Thank you. Thank you, group, for that melodious song. Now, Kumari Chinmayi of 7th standard is going to recite an English prayer song.
Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high. Where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls, where the tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of dead habit, where the mind is led forward by thee into ever-winding thought and action, into that heaven of freedom. My Father, let my country awake. Oh Father, let my country awake. Oh Father, let my country awake. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Chinmayi. That was a wonderful song, very well rendered. Now we have our traditional lamp lighting ceremony. All our activities should be governed by the light of knowledge. Light dispels darkness. When the darkness of ignorance is dispelled through the light of wisdom, goodness prevails. For this, I would like to invite our Secretary of Dayanand Sagar Institution, Sri Gali Swami Sir, today's chief guest, Dr. Ajay Kumar Naithani, and our school principal, Wing Commander Patanjali, Sir, for lighting the lamp. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Thank you, everyone. Now I request all the dignitaries to be seated on the dais.
Now I would request Mrs. Nirmala Subramaniam, one of our senior faculty, to deliver welcome speech.
All praise to the God Almighty. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to this pleasant evening of melodious songs, music and dance by our very talented Sagarites. Indeed, it's a pleasure to have you here, dear parents and well-wishers. Your presence is immensely valued by one and all. Today we have the privilege to have some great personalities in our midst to embellish this star-studded event. I have great pleasure and feel honored in welcoming the stalwart of DSI. He is a close confidant of our respected founder and philanthropist, Sri Dayanand Sagar. His contribution in developing this institution to reach the pinnacle is immense. His constant endeavor has resulted in the tremendous popularity of the DSI brand name as one of the best institutions in Bangalore, throughout India and abroad too. His unflinching loyalty and dedicated service for nearly 57 years has brought glorious laurels to this institution. He is indeed a pragmatic, benevolent, wise and foresighted leader any institution would be proud of. His unique style of working, his strategic decision-making, his wise administration and recruitment strategies are indeed deserving of great appreciation and applause. He is the caretaker of nearly 1,000 faculties spread over 5 different campuses in Bangalore. We of the DSIS feel blessed as he has immense love and consideration for our school. He has always given generously. It is under his benign supervision and contribution that our schools have flourished and grown by leaps and bounds in all aspects. On behalf of the management, principal, staff and students, I sincerely welcome this great person with myriad attributes. He is none other than Sri Galiswamy, the Secretary of DSI. Sir, we extend a very warm welcome to you. It is indeed very gracious of you to give your consent to grace this occasion in spite of your busy work schedule. Welcome, sir. We have with us today a gentleman par excellence. We have amongst us a highly educated and immensely talented professional. I am deeply honored to welcome the chief guest of today's event, Dr. Ajay Kumar Naithani. A very good evening, sir. Thank you for gracing this event. Dr. Naithani has done his PhD in engineering geology from HNB Garhwal Central University. He has been actively involved in the field of engineering geology and landslide hazard assessment for more than 27 years. He has successfully completed many R&D projects sponsored by the Department of Science and Technology, DST, and the Council of Research of Scientific and Industrial Research, CSIR. He has made important contributions for the developmental activities in 21 watershed projects and important hydroelectric projects like Loharinag Pala, Tapovan Vishnugad, Srinagar HEP, and other hydroelectric projects. He was also responsible for the economic projects and safe design and construction of all the structures in these projects. He was also associated with construction for India's first type underground rock cavern projects for the storage of crude oil located at Visakhapatnam, Padur, and Mangalore. He was associated with the construction for the Rajasthan Atomic Power Project, RAPP. Under his leadership, many other projects related to road tunnels and lift irrigation projects are completed. Dr. Naithani has more than 100 scientific papers and 23 popular articles to his credit, published in national and international journals. He was conferred the Young Scientist Fellowship and Senior Research Associateship by the Government of India and the Indian Science Congress Association, ISCA, Best Paper Award for the year 2015-16 in the section of Engineering Sciences. He is a permanent member of the Technical Evaluation Committee, TEC, Government of India, and member of Water Resources Development Sectional Committee of the Bureau of Indian Standards, Government of India now. Presently, he is working as a senior scientist, Scientist E2, and head of the Department of Engineering Geology at the National Institute of Rock Mechanics, Government of India, Bengaluru. He's a very sincere and hardworking person. Humility is an ornament he wears with self-effacing attitude. We welcome you once again, sir, to this enchanting program the young Sagarites have put together. He is a familiar face with a smiling demeanor in our campus. He is a retired commissioned Air Force personnel who has blazed a trail in the educational field too as an excellent principal of DSIS. He is a strict disciplinarian. Nevertheless, his love for children abounds. He is none other than our respected and beloved principal, Wing Commander Patanjali. A very warm welcome to you, sir. Now, I would like to request Principal Sir to honor the President and the chief guest of today's function with a shawl and a bouquet as a token of love.
Thank you, sir. I would like to request our principal, sir, to honor chief guest of today's function, Shri Ajay Kumar Netani. Thank you, sir. Now I would like to request Mrs. Saida Khanum to honor our principal, sir, Wing Commander Patanjali. We at DSIS not only provide knowledge but also make our students a holistic personality and a better human being, and that is what it matters. The group of Dayanand Sagar Institution epitomizes strength, dedication, hard work and success. Now, here is a bird's eye view of all the activities during the session 2019-20 by our senior teacher, Mrs. Saida Khanum.
Afternoon, one and all present over here. Distinguished guests, parents and colleagues, I take immense pleasure to present before you the annual report of our school activities during 2019-20. Our mission have materialized positively in the day-to-day working of our school in the voyage of discovery of excellence in the field of education and fulfilled our motto, every child counts. We cater the needs of the students from all sections of society, and we recognize this as a challenge and have actively worked in every aspect of child's development. As an outcome of such sincere and combined efforts of teachers and students, our school has achieved 100% quality results in class 10th of 2019, the topper being Saloni with 98%, while 85% of students secured first class with distinction. More than 90% of students secured first class in the same board examination. Besides academic achievements, our students have participated and brought laurels to the school in array of competitions. The school believes that there is an underlying link between a child's academic pursuit and other pursuits, such as literary, scientific, sports, fine arts, tuned with the development of leadership skills. As quoted by Perry D. Coubertin, founder of modern Olympic Games, the important thing in Olympic game is not winning but taking part. The essential thing in life is not conquering but fighting well. To live up the quote, advocate care is taken for development of sports and sportsman spirit. Throughout the year, a number of inter-house competitions like Kho-Kho, chess, table tennis, carom, cricket, etc. are held in order to promote self-confidence among the students from class 1 to 10th. Our Sagar Chicks annual sports meet was conducted in the month of December, both for students as well as parents. More than 500 medals, cups, certificates were awarded to all. Even this year, students have participated in inter-school events organized by outside agencies and fetched the prizes. Joseph William Rex of class 7th B participated in Guinness World Record in solving Rubik Cube in 1 minute. Saptami of class 4th has won silver medal in kickboxing competition. To create interest among the students and give a positive direction to the curiosity of students, the school has Boson Science Club that inculcates the scientific temper among the students. The club had conducted several activities like Lab First for classes 3rd to 9th, Science Kit related to space science, Kaun Banega Quizophilic Science and Maths Quiz for class 5th to 9th, skit on topic healthy food versus junk food, Swachh Bharat skit, awareness about clean India, street play, plastic hatao, paryavaran bachao, maths activity related to importance of maths in daily life. Science zone, science exhibition was conducted for classes 1st to 10th standard. Along with this, students had participated in science inter-school competitions too. Vivekananda Educational Center had organized science track where our students Safan Saeed and Matthew Joseph of class 10